Hello and welcome to Coffee with Ulrik. Have you ever wondered if the seller has the right to appoint the conveyancing attorney when they sell their house? Why does the buyer have to pay their costs? It seems unfair. Now, to answer that question, I'm going to look at why the seller has the right to appoint the conveyancing attorney and why is it so important. Now, the answer to that question is twofold. Firstly, the seller gives the conveyancer a power of attorney to pass transfer at the deeds office on their behalf. Now, that's an important thing to do, so you must make sure that you appoint someone that you trust and know. The second thing is that although the conveyancer has a duty of care towards the buyer, they act for the seller. Think about it, the seller is giving over their major asset in exchange for cash. So the conveyancer must ensure that all the financial obligations and aspects are dealt with before transfer, together with all the other processes. So it's important that the conveyancer acts for the seller. If there's a conflict between the buyer and the seller, the conveyancer will act with care towards the buyer and try and mediate as far as possible. But if it's irreconcilable, they will recommend that the buyer seeks independent legal advice. Now, coming back to the question is, why then does the buyer have to pay the costs? And the answer to that is it's contractual. So the premise is, you want to buy my house, you pay the costs of my attorney. So it's a financial obligation. Similar to the bond, the bank appoints the bond attorneys to register the bond on their behalf, and the person taking out the bond pays the costs. So it is a financial and contractual obligation. I hope that answers the question. Please feel free to share your comments and your thoughts on that, and look forward to next time. Thank you. Bye-bye.